Okay, today I'm going to show you a demo with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Container Instances. And the context is CI/CD automation. Okay, we can have a look here. CI/CD automation. At start, it sounds strange because container instances is serverless compute service that enables you to run containers without managing any server, so more simple than Kubernetes mainly, and very cheap. But why CI/CD job and automation? You know some kind of CI/CD service like GitHub, GitLab, Jenkins, OCI DevOps, and so on. And you know that these kind of services can use what we call self-hosted runners in order to run the workflows and to build the application and to deploy it. Okay. So the demo is using container instances with GitHub and running self-hosted GitHub runners on container instances. Okay. I found a nice Docker image, this one, that is quite awesome. And you have just to use this image in order to run a GitHub runner in Docker. And you can just give information about some parameters at start. And mainly, do not forget to have a GitHub access token. Have a look to the documentation on how to create this token, okay? Because it's very important to have it if you want to run the demo. The second step was to create a stack. Because I want to automate the creation of the runners with container instances. The right idea is to use, terraform and the OCI providers. So I did the stack. As you see, I can create container instances. I have a parameter count, so I can create and automate the creation of 1, 2, 3, 10, 100 container instances automatically. Okay. I have my GitHub organization here. You can see I have no self-hosted runner. Okay, let's go. And I'm going to run the stack. Okay, Terraform, apply. Okay. Yes. Okay, let's go. Now we can have a look on OCI Cloud. Okay. This is my tenant in Paris. Oh, as you see, the GitHub runner is in a state creating. And as you see, I did some tests before doing the demo. Okay. And I have a vault here in order to store my GitHub token because it's a security part that I should store in a vault. Okay. That I must store in a vault. Okay. Okay. It runs. Let's go. Terraform is still creating. Very nice. Okay. Okay. It's quite fast to create. Just have a look again here. It's okay. And refresh. Okay. Creating. It's active. Nice. Let's go to the container. 0. Container instance is 0. Container, this one here. View the log. Oh, nice. Connected to GitHub. Runner registration. Okay. Okay. Ready to run. That to check now that it's okay. I can go to a simple workflow, hello world, in order to use here build. Okay. So I'm going to run this runner. run workflow here. Okay, run workflow. Let's go. This is this one, build. And just to have a look on refresh, running job build succeeded. So the workflow has run very well. It's very nice. Okay. Now I'm going to destroy here. So just to check before destroying that in my organization, the self runner is here, my runner 0. Okay. Now I'm going to destroy it. Destroy. Okay. And what you must know is that in this image that is awesome, okay, there is at the end, okay, the script is very simple, okay. You can have a look on the GitHub documentation, but at the end of the script, okay, you have a trap when the container is killed. And when the container is killed, okay, we unregister the runner on GitHub. That's very nice. So be careful in here, the terraform configuration. Be careful to have a timeout for the shutdown, because if you don't have, okay, this timeout, okay, the container instances will be so fast that you do not have the time to destroy the runner. And don't forget to allow, okay, to trap the kill of the container. So these two parts are really important. And now, just to have a look, okay, on the result here, container instances, okay, it's not finished. You can see here that I published my repo with the code on Terraform on GitHub, so you can take it. Do not forget to create before the GitHub token. And just to have a look here at the end, if it's destroyed now, oh, I don't say yes. Oh my God, an error, but it will be very fast. Okay, so I'll come back in 30 seconds to show you the result. Okay, Terraform destroy is finished. Very fast, 47 seconds. We can have a look here on the container instances, destroyed. Okay, and the last check here. Okay, if I do refresh, no runner. Perfect. So as you see, we can use very easily container instances to run self-hosted runner. And you can improve this demo, you know what? Because you can run this stack in a GitHub workflow. And so you can do all what you want from GitHub and just using OCI container instances in order to run self-hosted runner. And do not forget, it's very, very, very cheap to use container instances. You can use cheap with ARM, very, very cheap. Okay. Thank you for your attention.